In this video, I will show you how to create a new Dropbox shared folder. First, open the Dropbox app and sign into your account. Now, you will find the plus icon over here. Go ahead and select that. From these options, select the option of Create Folder. Now you want to enter a name for your folder. Once you have entered it, you want to tap on Create. Now your new folder will be created. Here, locate the option of Share and tap on it. Next, you can enter the email address or name of a person you want to share the folder with. You can also adjust their permission level if available, and it will help you to decide if you want to allow them to either view or edit the folder. After that, you want to tap on the share option. The other person will receive an email or notification and will need to accept the invitation before they can access the shared folder. If you already have an existing folder, you can open it and follow the same steps to share it with others. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.